there, folks. So today is going to be another little unboxing. I've got here some stuff laid out for handcuffs, obviously. This is one I was waiting for. Recently, I've just done a unboxing, and I've got some paper clips and some poker chips. Here's another one as well, which I also had sent to me kindly by Coxie. Proud to be a member of a Shackleman club and the Blue Whale, and helps if it's the right way round, doesn't it? Yeah, the Padlock Club as well. I love all the challenges, and well, what can I say? If it wasn't for Coxie, then I wouldn't be where I am today, because it's him what sent me my first set of ASP 100s, and from there I was kind of hooked, as you say. Southern Specialities have done a lovely set of handcuff picking tools, which is also cool. But to get to it, we've got the Doncaster Restraint Museum as well. Nice, lovely little fun from Coxie in the collectibles. So yeah, basically, you probably know I recently won his giveaway, and this is for some TCH 840s, which I do believe are the same as the Hyatt speed cuffs. I can't remember the number of these off the top of my head. We'll come back to those. So yeah, more cuffs to the collection to add to my TCH 850s folding rigids. You learn all of these as you get involved. My Chubb IK70s, I think. Got my thumb cuffs. And I've got my Hyatt Derbies as well. These have actually got some history, because my mum was in the force, and when she retired, shortly after her duty sergeant retired, and these are the cuffs what he used while he was in the force through the 60s. So these have got some history attached, some personal value as well. They are a bit battered, they're not real freely operating. I'll be able to do a video on these as well, but there's a little bit of history there, personal. So yeah, anyway, back to the package opening. So as you know, I recently was very, very lucky enough to win a little giveaway hosted by a friend, Cox's Picks, for some lovely, beautiful pink handcuffs. I did contemplate painting my nails and doing a little Lady Locks tribute. She's a good friend of mine. Look at these, how pink are those? Mate, look at the finish, though. You're a wizard. You are a wizard at anything you do, my friend. Dave, mate, that's awesome. That is really, really cool. Really, really cool. I'm sure that's, you did say that's the cuffs on their own, presumably to reduce damage. We've got a key. So, double locked. Okay. So these are the TCH 840s, and these are the Hyatt speed cuffs. Same thing, different gravy, basically. Apparently, again, this is all stuff you learn from doing it, and all stuff you learn from having a great mentor such as Coxie, and he is. So thanks for that, Dave. By the way, I just want to say that, drop that in there. You've been a great mentor to me, mate, and I thank you for it. Yeah, it really does pay in Locksport. It's not just nice to make friends, but when you make friends with someone with such a knowledge base, who's so friendly as well, then yeah, life's just a dream. Life's just a dream. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. Sorry I couldn't do with nail varnish, but A, my wife didn't have any, and B, I couldn't stand the fumes anyway. So, yeah. I don't know. I have been practicing these, like I say, with these. So apparently you have to play with them and get to know them first before you put them on, folks, by the way. If you're ever getting into handcuffs, don't just get a set of cuffs and slap them on. Make sure they work first of all, and then make sure you can pick them. Which I'm not going to do today. So yeah, thank you ever so much, Coxie. Thank you ever so much to Not Too Dead and Cease to Do, and also Dave Cox, not only for forming the Shopcommon, but doing the challenges as well. I'll be catching up on those, thanks to, again, the wonderful Dave Cox sending me some awesome paper clips. So I'll be doing a bit more cuff action in the future. That's it for now, folks. Thanks ever so much. Thank you, Dave. And yeah, come and join in the fun if you like the cuffs. Challenges are always there. Till then, take care. Bye bye.